Boom. Viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix Up, ain't incredible, my people. And boy, people, Vybz Kartel, he is present. Present, I mean, via Instagram, social media. He said he's doing okay. And he's still alive on them Orbia now work. And at the same time, I'm Bounty Killer wickedly. But before we get into all of that, you don't know the deal already. Hit the like button, subscribe, as well as the notification bell. Cause run you so you get the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip. And people, you don't know the deal. I always can call it in a one shot. You see me I say? And this post is directed towards Bounty Killer specifically. Bounty Killer posted him the other day in that classic video footage that always seems to be surfacing when Buju Banton this Vybz Kartel. So you know what? Let me play the clip and then let me read Bounty Killer's caption. Then I'll proceed with Vybz Kartel's response.
Well up. Guys, I mean, no disrespect, but you can't disrespect the young artists like that in the eyes of the public. You have a set example. So me I say, because I make a one show and I'm DJ for the people, and I'm now overdo it, I'm doing regret now the chorus. But anyway, that's no disrespect, but oh, if it's on John Cloudry, not to that, can't take charge of me, Cloudry, not. Both where I can want me, second that. If we can run down, can we not do that? When I get to the last girl, me not do that. Run down some nasty girl, me not do that. When I get to the earth, me not do that. Man, I know fuck that, but me not do that. No fool, no be broke girl bad. I know between them. Fool, make them girl rooted. Can I not beat them? 20, 30 grand she spend. Every weekend, the clothes them, she buy them. I don't think the I pay. Can't tie them. One minute, cause she disciple. You're into one thing, one minute.
Okay, boom. So Bounty Killer said after watching that post, when the General Grownzilla put him friendship, and that's the key word, upon the line with Gargamel after he snatched the object out of Kartel's hands, none of una never come si bad wanganis was nowhere to be found. Get the F out of here with una negative questions in my DM. This ain't Jeopardy. Go and find Alex Trebek's bunch of broke pocket civilians. And for the record, as much as I love Vybz Kartel, original lyrics architect, you are the great lyricist, but you are not better than I am Papa Son. Where son do lyrics, wise them no bond. The end. This topic is not up for debate. And this is Vybz Kartel's response. 2002 till now, 17 years of fire and still counting. Una all an outdated DJ boy, yeah, where have me pan on a mind, suck on no matter and stop tag me. Tag a hit song, pussy, me not beg friend. Remember the friendship thing with Gargamel, Bounty Killer was talking about. Hashtag one down, on a Orbia now work, me still alive. Hashtag Gaza Nation. Load, strong, one love. You see me, I said? And this is my take on this situation. I don't like the watchman business. I don't like the watchman business, and I don't know why Vybz Kartel's career is so on these people's mind. Like, they don't do music. They say that they're still kings, but they're not dropping no songs. You feel what I'm saying? We don't understand that, you know. That's why we have to rate Vybz Kartel, you know. Ever since he split from Alliance, he's always been doing his own thing. You know what I mean? I'm music in myself, and he's definitely has a vast catalog. You see what I said? And he changed the game, and these old heads seem they can't maintain. You know what I mean? They stuck in one style, and if Vybz Kartel don't bring that style back, they're gonna be lost. So, like I said, I was just giving a quick update. Vybz Kartel response to Bounty Killer and told him to suck his mother and stop tag him. To tag a hit song, he don't need no friends because he's not begging none. You see me, I said so. I don't know the deal already. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell if you want the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip.